Today, I'm showing you the difference between the Tmine G1 large capacity bucket and the G1 compact bucket. You can already see the size difference. The G1 compact bucket is more compact and easier to handle, perfect for big families or larger spaces. The 2-gallon G1 large capacity bucket makes cleaning faster and easier than ever. Compared to the 1.5-gallon G1 compact bucket, it holds more clean water, covers more floor area in one go, and saves you from constantly refilling. Less interruption, more efficiency. Both use a clean and dirty water separation system, so they're way better than traditional mops. But here's what's new. The small bucket completely removed all the buttons. Just dip the mop, spin, and water flows automatically. No more button errors, no extra steps. The large version had narrow hidden plastic wheels that struggled on carpet, while the new one has wider swivel wheels that roll smoothly with just a quarter of the effort. Perfect for any floor type, even carpet. They also upgraded the drainage system. Now it's a dual-side drain, so you can tilt the bucket and let the dirty water flow out easily. No lifting required. In short, the G1 compact bucket fixes all the G1 large capacity bucket and downsides. It's easier to move, simpler to drain, and smoother to use. A real upgrade in comfort and efficiency.